Trader, trader, NASDAQ 100 futures are popping to the highs. That Donald Trump is the new bull rally. People are looking for change, and like I said before, we could easily pop above that resistance line. And with that Donald Trump rally in Madison Square Garden, we need a strong president for a strong bull market, a new bull market like we've never seen before. I can tell you right now, as the election volatility is here, we look at the futures pop from Friday selling. We look at that resistance. That's on the NQ 100. Same trend line that I have drawn. I didn't just draw it, no. And that's the old high, and we've covered it very clearly. The new bull starts when you go above it and you consolidate above 27 in the NQ and make higher highs during the election and the Donald Trump rally that we are witnessing right now, because that's what it is. I'll do the ES E-minis next.